Students, our today's topic is pronoun. Pronoun definition: a word which is used in place of noun is called a pronoun. Example: if we talk about Ram, Ram is a good boy. Ram lives in Meerut. Ram reads in fourth class. This is not a right way. Ram is a good boy. He lives in Meerut. He reads in fourth class. We use he for Ram. Priya is 9 years old. She reads storybook. We use she for Priya. Mr. Gupta was very busy. He was hanging bright lights over the house. We use he for Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta is a male person. We use she for Priya. Priya is female. Means when we talk about any person, animal or thing, it helps in avoiding the repetition of noun. It means it makes the sentence easier to read. Pronoun usually are for 6 types: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns. In this class, we learn or discuss only personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. The pronouns used for names of persons, animals and things are called personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are also divided into 3 categories: first person, second person and third person. In first person, we use I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, ours. And in second person, we use you, your, yours. And in third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, their, it, its. You easily learn with this table. In first person, we take a Monu, and in second person, Sonu, and in third person, Rahim. In this, Monu is a speaker, so he used I. Monu is a first speaker. Monu used the word I for himself. So I is the first person. Monu speaks to Sonu. Monu used the word you for Sonu. So you is used for the person spoken to. It is the second person. Monu is speaking about Rahim. Rahim is not before Monu. Monu used the word he for Rahim. He is used for the person spoken about. It is the personal pronoun of the third person. In first person, pronoun referring to speaker are called first person. They are we and I. I use for me, my, me. We use me, my, mine for I. I is the subjective pronoun and me, my, mine is the objective pronoun. We is a subjective pronoun and us, our, ours are objective pronoun. Here I means मैं होता है और we means हम, यानी कि we में मेरे साथ और भी लोग इंक्लूड हैं, ज़्यादा लोग हैं. we, तो मैं, मेरा, मुझे, और we means हम, हमको, हमारा. In second person, we use you. Personal referring to the person spoken to are called second person. You, your, yours. You read your book. You is a subjective pronoun and you, your and yours are a objective pronoun. In third person, pronouns referring to other person are called third person. He, she, they, it. He, she, they, it are subjective pronoun. We use his or him for he because he is male. So we use he or him for he. For example, he is a boy. This is his pen. Give this book to him. And she, her and hers, we use her and hers for she. She is female. Example, she is my sister. Her frock is red. We use their and theirs for they. They is a subjective pronoun and their and theirs are objective pronouns. They are my friends. They live in their house. It, its used for it. It is a subjective pronoun and its is objective pronoun. We use it for living, non-living things or animals. It is a wooden chair. We use it for non-living things. फर्स्ट पर्सन बोलने वाला होता है, सेकंड पर्सन सुनने वाला होता है एंड थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. नाउ आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड very clearly. So thank you.